esokuba i-revival. Hey, abantu abakhoze revival bala bathi sifunenye. Ever since these people discovered the channel yam, yo, they are everywhere, especially on my TikTok. Yo, and you know what? I'm loving it. Welcome to Mozart Music, a platform where we examine music. We always break down our lyrics to try and get the message behind the song. We always give positive feedback, inspiration, basically non-toxic Zion music. What is up, bro? What's another one? Says Vula, a new month, and we are still closer to 400. See, Pegaso, and it's May was a beautiful month. It was a beautiful month of growth. I appreciate each and every single support. I appreciate all the churches that I've discovered. So, namhlanje, this one, Kitty, everywhere. I think Kamale, well, the full name I forgot, but Revival Christian Ministries or Revival Church Ministries, somewhere along those lines. So, Revival, we're like, hey, Fetu, we want another video. I'm like, yo, and your foot. But hey, what can I say? I love their energy. I love the way they are towards me. So we are reacting to a revival. Ugukhulu Ugukhulu kukhulu ukuvuya. Ay, yabona mina Zulu. Way. Sizawuthini. So without wasting you guys' time, let's dive right into it. Revival Catholic Ministries. You know what? So you understand why about Pastor Revival react lapho. Hey, kukhulu kuya yona leyo. Isingaka sisixhosa leso ningamaxhosa. Ngiyabuza, I am just asking. Hey, I know ngiyabona. Ngiyabona why abomthobi bathi enye futhi. And it's two different people. The first person ongitshele via TikTok, right? And then the second person wangitshela via TikTok. And then we went back and forth because now I'm trying to find this video. He's like, he said, she saw. I said, she's saying him share a screenshot at it, that video. And yeah, so oh my God. Oh my God. He left first part sisi. What left first part la. Yo. And then on top of that, itena bafethu. Itena a revival. Like the previous video being issue. Ukucula kwale bandla leli kavuselelelana. Kusevuselelweni. Oh my God. Oh. Revival. am so sorry guys, nizongikwatela ne. But whoever ubukela itonga, this man ufana nontanzi. Cishe ngathi hey. Yabona ne. But in my head I'm like, ah, makajini. Oh, hayi no. Cishe ngathi awuntanzi. Seriously, from this, like from his angle right now, like from his side face, yes, I sang him in the first part. 1, 2, 3. Ngitshela basopani kulabantu abafishane. Ngayisho from ka video leya ya living, the first living video engareacta kuyo. Ngathi hey labo sisabafishane banama voice. Yes. Umfundi babengolweni uthi man the voice le yinto. Manje uhlangana naye nje uphuthunono nje incane nje. Into ephuma le. Hey. Hayi. Hey, revival. Hey, ningenzani? Awunathi. That's it. Oh, guys. Whoa. think makufanele kube member kule bandla leli uvela ujoin. I think these people hold audition. You gotta know how to sing to be part of this church. Ain't no way these people sound like this, bruv. Ah! Yo! Hey! 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 Ay, 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 ay. Yay! Ay, revival. Are you sure ukuthi anibamba ama-audition umuntu makazojoyina ibandla nithi cula? Habe ngithatha uJesu buti. Hayi no. Zolwisa ifleki lethu. Yabona siyi-revival. Sine-standard. Kancane, kancane. I'm shaking, bruv. Revival. Kanja, like i-revival. Uyabona ipapa limhlophe. Bese bona bafaka i-food coloring. Kanjani? How? Like how? Like listen. Yabona babazofika kule gama Thamsanqa. Mina ngithi because it's no. These people said it's not enough. From here, but yes. Ngapha nontanse naye ngaphuthi nize ningaculi. So ngila nonke. Yo revival Nkosi yami. Hayi. Ngisanibuza namanje anifuni ukushadela eZion anifuni ukushadela eZion na hey Xhosa ngizizwa angazi Thamsanqa ngachaza ukuthini ngazi Thamsanqa ayisibongo. I don't know what it means. I don't know. Guys, I don't know. Yes, similar to Zulu, but angizwa. Next, the only thing I hear is Mukulu. That's it. Anything outside that ukuthi I don't know. Base bazobhala ke bona ngesilungu ukuthi chaza ukuthini. Zinkabi zami nisho ukuthi anifuni ukushadela eZion because manje ushadela khona mina. Never. Angeke. Never. Never. Angeke. Bamdanse. Hayi revival. Hayi revival Nkosi yami. Ooh. Yes. The first part there has to be one of the best first part I've heard since I've started this YouTube channel. I'm not gonna lie. This, hey, my sister. Ah, oi, 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 oi. Yabona wena igama lakho the one. The one and only. The one and only. You. Yes. Yarr. I really hope you see this. Siswam, ngiyacela. Ngisasho namanje. Wena Moses esontweni udinga abantu abazokugada. Udinga boma 6. Abazokugada. Iphimbo lakho alali kuwe because uzovuka bakutshontshele lona. Uzothi moya esontweni. Iphimbo lakho liphathwa ngomunye umuntu, wena uziyele uyi-1, uzolithola uma ufika phambili. Yeah, because uchaza ukuthini? This is what I call the first part. That's why ngithi she's the one. Because number one, how is she audible on top of e-bass, on top of e-tenor, on top of e-alt, on top of e-leader nesifutho? Kesikhohle first part. And listen, e-tenor, it's one of the voices that is never loud. Hardly. Mara uzoyizwa. But the relationship between e-alto ne-tenor ye-revival is like the V revival. Because why? You need 2 L's standing like this to make a V. That connection a corner between e-tenor ne-alto as a revival, magnificent. Magnificent. The one. Awuthathe lapho. Guys, hands off revival. Hands off. Hands. Ozoba nenkinga ye. Ngiyabuya. Ozoba nenkinga nge-revival. Nimthumele la kimi kulo lensizwa lemfoka gama. Umfoka ungidlula umbebele ngcoshana neenyawo takhe. Yazi ngithini? Indoda omswati ozoba nenkinga ne-revival must come to me first. Yes. Yo. Yo. I'm thinking these people must not hallelujah. No, my guy. But Sola sithi ha, hey, singizofa isifo sokubabaza ilamabandla, ngizoshona. Ngizosho ozoba nenkinga ngerevival. Makaqale here. Aze kimi kuqala. Enzombhoza. Revival, what do you mean? Like, hey, hey, hey. Awafethu thuka madoda bese nintshoko ngishadela yona yekela yo hayi exactly, and then people say they don't want to get married to Zion. Hey, my friends, yo. There's a voice I keep hearing, but now with the first part. I don't know who it is, but there's another female voice that I keep hearing. That I don't know if it's Becca or any, but there's look but I'm thinking that I'm the first part. And imagine njengoba kula ni hama so yeah, I can hear it. Who is that? Or is it the same person? Uthi shake social media, shake up mina. Ngasikhathi le video niyiposte last year. Shake up you shake le social media. Iyothi revival. It's not the first part. There is someone else. Who is that? Who is that? Angin-blame uBhedu Gwaba. Hey ziyabuya. Yazi angin-blame. Nami njengoba hlezi la. I would have gotten carried away. Guys, I always say the name of the church will tell you what the church is all about. Revival in English. Revival in English. Ukuvuselela ngesilungu is revival. Revival is basically, it's like a boost. Amvuselela ngithi omunye umuntu. The way a revival does that so good, they own it. I always say the name and what the church does will tell you. And their music will always tell you. A revival will make you forget ukuthi endlini akunagesi, ukuthi load shedding is khona banganamanzi nje. But when you listen to people who are not only spiritual gifted, but who are just gifted, sharing their energy, and you feel it, and then you go like, "I'ma be fine." Lo muntu odlala le sound akafitisanga kahle. Khali roof. Amafitisa kahle. Ese. So, hey, laba namahembe abaphephula. Yini khala bani purple. Yes. Njekelani ukuhlupha udongwane tu nyanicela. Nambona ukuthi uyomfishana kuba bonke abantu. Ngicela nimprotecteni inkosi yami. Hayi minion lenu igama lakhe manje. Ngicela nivikeleni minion lenu bafethu. Please. The minion lingayintengo. Minyi abanenkinga. I will finish them. I will finish. Abheke ngale muva ziyabuya. Bese uthi ufuna ukamjiveni hamba uyi-why. Thina sizwe enkonzweni nje. Hey. Yo. Ho ho. Hey. Away. Guys, it's fine. I don't need to act anymore. Nyaival. Nyaival. Revival. Guys, revival. Guys. Listen, minion, ngithi kuwe ozoba nenkinga ne-revival aze-give, I will finish them. I will finish him now manje. Ngizayigila mina insizwa mina. Manje. Hayi kusasa, no. Now. Revival. Bamntanzi ngicela ukubuza. Ngokukhulu kwisithoba nkosi yami. Ungachesti mina ngithanda ukubharana mara ufana naye. Uminyoni umthathaphi. This has to be the best singing eZion in modern day history. Now, I am not taking back. No. I'm talking about now. Correct. Right now. Revival, whatever album Nizoy drop and if ever you guys are dropping an album, if Nizoy drop, I would love to hear it. Now, those are 2 years ago, 3 years. From Mondays of 2025, Ogia Pambi. Revival, still album. No. I'm the streets of Zion. Still album. Sicela i-album. Ningadlali ngathi ngadlali ngomphefumulo wethu. Sicela i-album. Please. Guys, speaking of album, sometime later on this week, guys, I'm related to e-album, so make sure you stay tuned to this YouTube channel. Hey! Ay. Yo. Ay. Sengiya-understand manje ukuthi why abantu base-revival ku-TikTok yami bathi kanti kwenzakalani. Angisabathi ngithi hayi man, ehlisa umoya. But bathi bhuti awu-understand ngithi yo. Like ngiyo-explain ngithini le ndaba le. Like when I die, bathi kimi babagama besacela uku-explain umculo wase-revival. Or ngicela explain ngizothini? What am I going to say? No. Ngizothini? Yo. I revival, you have my respect. Ay. Hey. Yazini. Angeke ngiqede ngizofaka isifo sokubabaza. Hey. Lalel, if you do like the content on this YouTube channel, do the right thing. Subscribe, hit that like button, and also please don't forget to comment, guys. Those comments give me more recommendation. I am out of recommendations now. All the not quite. I still have one more. Yeah. And then after that, I am going back to freestyling like I was doing. Keep them coming. So in the favorite rate of Street Jupiter, adios.